You will love the features of this 2023 Nissan Ariya. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, fog lamps, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, wood grain interior trim, heated rear seat, power liftgate. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.